How you doing today? Welcome to the shop of Luckys Artz. I'm Lucky. You're going to be seeing some different procedures that I'm going to be going through with the Genie machines that I have here. The basic paint job, what we've been doing with them is marbleization. I'm going to be showing you some examples of how the marbleizing done. It's basically just a print put on the machine, and then we color it with a candy. Candy is like a food coloring. It's transparent. You'll see in front of me a candy yellow and candy orange. Other things we're going to be showing today is how to get your logos airbrushed on these machines. As you see the Genie logo, every logo is going to be different, every machine is going to be different. What you just saw was how the marbleizing was done. Marbleizing is like a print on top of it. Every print is going to come out different. As you saw, I sprayed the marbleizer down. I pulled the saran wrap. The saran wrap kind of sucks itself into the paint, and doing so, it makes your print. Pulling that off, you move to the next phase of it until the whole machine is done and you have your unique print on there. What we'll be talking about here is how you can get your logos airbrushed on these machines. Like the concrete Genie one here, you'll see two different style logos. Every logo is going to be different. It's basically, I just come up with what's going to look cool. As you see, here is a weaved out stencil. This is kind of how I do the emblems on here. Also for the Mach 1, since that's the model of the machine, you can see how that looks before it's applied. So these are just some of the secrets, how I am able to do the logos on here. So if you have your own personal logo you want, just get with me or Chris and we'll computer generate it, and on the front of this water tank you can get your logo for advertisement. Okay, I want to thank you all for coming out to Luckys Artz Art Studio, spending time with me, seeing how the Genie machines are painted. I showed you a little bit from the marbleizing of how you can get your custom logos painted and some of the finished products. So give us a call and we'll create your idea.